Welcome back to Module 3.6, our last video for Module 3. So in this module, we are going to simplify expression with both fraction and decimals. So these problems are designed for us to do operation with decimals, okay? So get our finger crossed to make sure we don't run into any repeating decimals because that gets aggravating. So let's just convert these fractions into decimal, then we can add them up. So let's do the 12 over 50 first. Whatever's on top goes to the inside, which is when it comes to using calculator in module 4, 12 is the first number you keyed in. All right, 50 cannot go into 12, so decimal is right here. Let me just get myself a couple zeros for the tenth and the hundredths place in case I need them. 50 going to 12 0 times, so let's look at this as 120. 5 going to 12 2 times, right, which is 100. 50 times 2 is 100. So that's 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down another 0. 5 going to 20 exactly 4 times. So this 12 over 50 is 0.24. All right, I have a terminating decimal here at 4. Plus our 46.5 in the middle, plus, all right, this one. Here's a little trick I learned. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It really depends. 25 is a beautiful number to work with because 23 over 25, I know I can make 25 into 100 because then I can look at this fraction and read my decimal. 25 go to 100, got to times by 4. So if 23 go to this numerator by 4 times, that's going to be 92. So this is 92 hundredths, so that will be 0.92. All right, so let's do it another way. All right, let's do division. 23 goes in the inside. 25 goes on the outside. All right, decimal is behind the 3. Let me give myself a couple decimal places. 25 cannot go into 23, so that'll be 0 times. So let's look at this as 230. So 2 going to 2 is 10 times, but we can't use 10, I use 9. 9 times 5 is 45, carry 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So when I subtract, that's a 5. All right. Bring down the 0. Oh, 25 going to 50, 2 times. Voila, 92 hundredths. So now I can add them up. So let's see. 46.5. Let me put that on the top. Plus 0.24 plus 0.92. All right, that's 6. That's 14 plus 2 is 16. That's 7. And let's bring down to 4. 47.66. Okay, that'll be my answer. All right. So this one, let's convert 13 over 40 into some sort of decimal. All right, let's do this on the side. 13 goes inside. Decimal is behind the 3. Let me give myself a few zeros here. 40 cannot go into 13. That would be 0 times. That's a proper fraction, so I know that's going to be 0 point something times. All right, 4 going to 13. About 3 times. So that'd be 120. So that's 1, that's 0, bring down the 0. 4 going to 10 about 2 times, so that will be 80. Oh, perfect, that's 2, that's 0. Bring the next 0. 4 going to 20, exactly 5 times. All right, round to near 1,000. Excuse me. Almost forgot. It says round to near 1,000 if necessary. So this one was not necessary. So it all depends. So this one I have 1,000th place. Okay. So after I multiply, if I have more than thousands place, we need to round to nearest thousands place. So now let's multiply. So 0.325. I put on top because it got more decimal place than the 88.5. All right, so let's multiply this like a regular whole number for minutes, and then let's count. Then we can count the decimal. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. This is going to be 8 times 5 is 40. Carry 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Carry 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 2600. So 8 times 325 again will be 0062, right? That's 5, 2, 6, 7, 8, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count back 4 decimal places behind the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be between 8 and 7. So right now my answer is 28.7625. But I need to round to the nearest thousands. So thousands is my 2. The 5 will make my 2 go up. So my answer, 28.763. All right. This is one nasty problem right here. Because 3 over 9 is 1/3. 1/3 has a repeating decimal. All right. Which is 0.3 repeating, like I mentioned in a previous video. So, probably this problem, let's do it from the fraction perspective. This is 34 and 3/10 divided by 1/3. All right, which is going to end up to be 10. Let's convert this into improper fraction. 10 times 34 is 340 plus 3 is 343 over 10. Divided by 1/3 means times the reciprocal, which is times by 3 over 1. So the top number cannot reduce with the bottom. But that's okay, because now I got lucky with the 10 down here. Because my 3 times 343. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 10. So what that means is my 1029 is dividing by 10. Dividing by 10 means we will move the decimal to the left one place. So for 1029, the decimal is behind it. Move to the left one place. That will give me 102.9. Okay, without too much effort. Got lucky with that 10 down there. Oof. The power of 10. All right, so this problem, again, I'm going to use the same trick I showed y'all earlier. The denominator is 50 right here. So rather than divide this, I'm going to times that by 2. All right, so 33.653 minus. So 41 over 50. I know 50 can turn into 100 quickly, just simply times by 2. So 41 times 2 is going to be 82. So this is 82 hundredth. So 41 over 50 is going to be 0.82. All right, plus 5.93. So let's take a look. Let's do my subtraction first. So 3.653 minus 0.82. Make sure we line them up. That's 3. 16 minus 8 is 8. This is now is 2. So that's 32.833. All right, plus 5.93. Let's line them up, 5.93. So let's add them. That's 3, 6, 17. That's 8, 3. So 38.763. All right, round to nearest thousand. So that's 3. Okay, so 3 behind the 3 is a 0, so 3 stays the same. So in this lecture video, we take a look at how we can do operations involving with decimal and fractions together. So some problems we can convert them into decimals easily. and work and then do operation from decimal perspective. Or sometimes, when I'm running into repeating decimals where it's kind of trickier to do operation with. So I can, if it's something simple like this, I can look at them as fraction perspective and just got lucky. I can use a power of 10 to tell me what the decimal answer is. All right, that will conclude this lecture video and all the video for Module 3. Thank you for watching.